Hi, welcome back to my channel.
Bree's channel.
Yay, Average Bree. So we're gonna do a better late than never edition of Ipsy versus Ipsy Mother-Daughter edition, November?
In December.
In December, yay! That means you get another Ipsy versus Ipsy in December as well. So we're gonna go ahead and do my unboxing or unbagging. This is the November edition, so this is not the December edition. We're a little late. There was birthdays and lots of other things going on, so we didn't get to do any filming. This is a $12 subscription.
Pretty sure.
And we like to do the Ipsy versus Ipsy because she's 18, I'm 38. She's got oily skin, I don't. She's olive toned. I'm fair skinned. I don't know why she gets so hurt about the oily skin.
It's slightly damp.
Okay, so this is the bag this month. Which it's cute. I mean, I'm not really into
I like the rose gold
animal print thing, but it's got a cute tassel. If you like animal print, this bag is for you. It feels good. It's a good material.
This screams cougar.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan
I
of
like
animal
the
print.
rose gold.
I think of like
The small
Jersey Shore. Like I can imagine like Snooki liking this.
Like
I don't know.
like this part right here. Look. Like this.
Oh yeah, like the detailing's great on it. Like it's got, you know, great detailing. I'm just not a fan of the animal print. So comes with a little card. Did yours come with a card?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not gonna.
The wild side.
Wild side. So that's why it's animal print. I'm not gonna spoil anything. I'm just gonna.
Wait. I want to read it.
You want to read what it says? Okay.
This month, dare to step into uncharted territory. Electric lipsticks, passion projects, far-flung destinations. By leaning into the unknown, you just might find most authentic version of yourself.
Awesome. So I'm gonna go like this. Ooh. It is looks like a full-size item. There we go. So it's called the Santi. Let's see here. So it's a oils lip gloss in Supermom.
Ooh, that's what you are. Super mom.
Now you're flattering me.
Uh-huh.
Okay, there's the doe foot. Didn't come off so clean, and then
I like that color. I like that color a lot. Can I steal it?
It's a pretty good color. And now that we have this lovely ring light, courtesy of my husband, you can see the swatch better.
Alright. Okay. What I pulled out is a nail lacquer. Lacquer.
Lacquer?
Lacquer.
Lacquer. Nail lacquer.
Lacquer.
No.
Okay, so it's this beautiful red color right here. I find that actually quite gorgeous. Mom doesn't like red nail paint because she saw a horror movie and it had red nail paint, and now she'll never wear red nail paint. But I love red nail paint.
It's a full size too.
Yeah, it's full size. I mean, I'd be sad if it wasn't. It's quite nice.
Show your nail.
Good
It's
color.
just one coat, so like if you put a couple, it'd be nice and solid.
Yeah,
good
and
red.
look, there's no streaks.
It's a nice color.
Is there a color name?
Let's see.
Where's my little paper?
Just says code.
Where'd my paper go?
It's right there.
Okay. Let's see. Let's see. We found a color to take us from fall into the holidays. The stunning glossy crimson from Color Club.
It's in Catwalk.
Catwalk.
Right there.
Ah, Catwalk.
Alright. Okay. Oh, what a cute little bottle.
What is that?
It is dry shampoo. Oh, you were just asking for dry
I
shampoo.
need dry shampoo. Sometimes I don't have time for shampoo.
So this is the Ebony Freshen Up Dry Shampoo. Cleans without water, absorbs excess oil,
Ooh.
and keeps hair fresh longer for all hair types. So, if I don't use it, she will. Next.
Alright. Ooh, this is small. Ah, yes. This is Ultra Repair Oat and Cannabis Savita Seed Oil. First Aid Beauty. It's quite small. This is my finger, and this is the thing. It's literally the size of my finger. Let's smell it. I want to smell it. We gotta...
Sorry, my hair is like going in my face and like...
That actually smells really good. It
Does
reminds me
smell
of...
herbal.
It smells minty.
You see it?
Like, it reminds me of, my grandpa grows mints in his front yard.
Mint.
Yeah, like actual mint.
Okay. Next.
Wait. It's supposed to,
Ooh.
relieves dry, reactive skin.
I got something from Gigi Gorgeous.
Ooh.
Ooh, Gigi Gorgeous.
I stand.
I've heard
Gigi.
of her before.
I stand.
Of course, I can't get it open.
Yep. This nail polish is really nice. I can't get over it. I can't help it to touch it though, so it's all messed up.
I'm going to end up ruining the box.
Do you need help? Let me help you. Let me help you.
No, I'm fine.
Oh, Mom, no. What are you doing? That's okay.
Okay.
There you go.
I made it work. Leave me alone. Judging me has no value. So here's the front.
What is it? Is it blush or something?
It is bronzer.
Ooh.
Oh, very bronzy.
Brown.
So, I'm pale. And most likely, this is not going...
Actually, that looks really nice on you.
You think so?
Yes. With lots of blending. You don't have to worry about it.
I don't know. We'll see.
You want to swatch on me?
That just blends into your skin.
Yeah, you can't even see it. It just made a little dark spot.
I feel like this would just make my face look dirty.
But you see how
You got
dark
some
those
dirt
girls
on your
go
face.
with like contour? It's like really insane. Alright, my turn. This is also from Gigi Gorgeous.
Ooh.
I got this beautiful
Here, I'll go ahead and put it on the...
lip gloss called Get Into It. Great. I want to open it. Oh. I didn't know there was a plastic covering. I literally ripped the covering off. Alright. Okay.
Whoa.
That's a thick...
That is a crazy doe foot. Look at that.
little thick, but it's okay, I have big lips.
Look at the difference in doe foot here. I like to compare the doe feet. Look at that. It's insane.
Let me try it on.
Okay. Is it sticky or smooth?
It's quite smooth.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's not really that sticky at all.
Okay.
How I look.
I have like two
What do
more
you
items.
think?
I think It's great on you.
Can they see?
I don't know. Yeah. I think it looks really cute on you. So my next item is from Murad. It's a Essential C Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30.
Ooh.
So
just 30?
it's that.
SPF 30, that won't really do much. You want a lot of SPF.
Yeah, but if this is just on your moisturizer, that's kind of good. So
I think it's a
cute
lip
little
plumper.
tube.
Because my lips feel weird.
Let me see.
They're all tingly.
It says nourishes and hydrates for a subtle glow. It doesn't say anything about plumping.
I feel like it's
Maybe.
like actual lip plumper, but it's not like the same.
Are you sure you're not allergic to it?
Next
Oh, listen.
episode, my daughter at the hospital after trying Ipsy versus Ipsy.
She's like, it was a lip plumper. And it was just an allergic reaction. Okay. Your turn.
Okay. I got this in a little bubble wrap package.
Darn it.
I'm more
my
excited
hair.
about the bubble wrap. Just kidding. Haha. No, I'm not. Anyway, let's get this open.
Now, do you need help?
No.
Oh.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to.
See
Okay.
if I ask you to help ever again.
Okay. I got it open. Alright. It's Wander Beauty Wondrous Glow. Looks like there's
Surprising. Wander Beauty again. Strikes again.
Let's see. It's a highlighter in After Hour. This tape is weird.
Let me see.
Ooh.
That is awesome.
Ooh. Maybe turn down that light a little, because it's so powerful. Ooh. Okay.
Okay.
Let me
Bring the
swatch
light up
it.
a little.
Gorgeous, honey.
Let me try it on me.
Yeah, because we're different skin tones, so. I absolutely love this.
Oh, it has a really good shine.
What do you think, Mom?
Oh, I dropped my bag. Oops, sorry. Ooh. Watch. Let me just blend it slightly. Not really supposed to use the finger, but that looks very cute on you.
Get blinded. Wear some sunglasses.
Okay, my last item is also in bubble wrap.
Ooh.
And it's from Pixie by Petra.
Oh, it's so small.
Oh, how cute. Let me open this.
Small ones are always the hardest.
Right? It's because they put like 30 pounds of tape on a very small item. They literally taped all around the whole package.
Why?
I do not understand. There we go. Okay. Sorry I had to see the top of my head. So there's a light shade, which almost looks the same as the highlight. And then a darker shade, which I think these are cute because I would totally wear these together.
Ooh, that's nice. Show them the packaging.
So
Packaging's quite cute.
it is. It's really cute for like the little eyeshadows that you get. There you go. Alrighty.
Alright.
Your last item.
My biggest item.
Oh.
And I think I got the same thing as my mom.
Yeah.
You're rad.
Well, can never have too much sun protection.
Yep. Alright.
So, we're going to do our point system. We're going to rate all the items we received as well as the bag. I'm going to rate this half a star. So the way my point system works is we rate them by stars. Half a star if we think it's okay, full star if we really like the item, and then no stars if we don't. So for this, it's half a star. I like the feel of the bag, the quality of the bag's good. I'm just not a fan of the print. This Murad moisturizer, I always like a good moisturizer, so I'm going to get a star for that one. The GG Gorgeous, I'm going to give half a star because I really don't use a lot of bronzer. I would like to try it, but I'm afraid I'm going to make myself look funny. So, half a star on that one. Full star on the eyeshadow because I love eyeshadows. The gloss, full star. And the dry shampoo, I'll go ahead and give a full star. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars out of 6.
Alright.
Not bad.
For the bag, I would have to give it half a star. I'm not a big fan of the design. Sorry. I'm not a big fan of the design. It's not my favorite design in the world. The nail polish, I actually am in love with this nail polish. It went on beautifully.
It dried quick too.
It took a while. I had to go like that. But I kept poking at it. But beautiful. Oh my gosh. This, I would use. Yes, most definitely. So I'd give this a star. GG lip gloss. Kind of concerned about this one because my lips are still tingly. I don't know if it's a lip plumper. Let us know in the comments if you know it's a lip plumper.
Because it doesn't say anything in the card.
If it's not a lip plumper, I probably shouldn't put this on. So, for now, since it looks great on me, I'll give it a star. The Murad, I'm going to give this half a star. Mainly because SPF 30.
Okay.
Being a little salty. And then this beautiful Wander, like this
Wander
highlighter,
Beauty.
is absolutely gorgeous. This is a star too. So that's 5.5 stars.
All in all, they're pretty decent.
Oh wait, it's a 5 star.
Did you do 2 half stars?
Yeah.
What was the half?
That's a half star and this is a half star.
Oh, so pretty much what we did.
Yeah.
What I did, I mean, there's 2 of me.
So I'm the other her.
So we both got 5 stars in our bags. I mean, they get pretty close to what we like. You know, I think, like, you know, coming out of my comfort zone and trying, like, this GG Gorgeous stuff, I would totally try this because of the fact that, you know, they gave me something in the bag. I probably wouldn't have gone out and purchased it. But, for the most part, like, I think my bag was pretty on with me. What do you think about you? Like, on with what you chose?
Recently, I would like the liquid lipstick. I'm not a big fan of lip glosses. She's more into lip glosses. I'll wear them, but I'm more of a liquid lipstick. But overall, yeah, they did pretty great.
Alrighty, so that is our unboxing. Sorry it was late, but better late than never. So, do me a favor. Click the little subscribe button down there, please. And hit the bell notification.
Ding, ding.
Ding. And, visit us next time on our next video. We're going to do a Boxy Luxe unboxing. So, that's my next video. Hopefully you stop by and watch it. Thank you for watching. Bye!